Alright, you guys are lucky. I just got the iPhone 12 Pro Max in. There you go. This is the graphite blue color. I'm going to test out the case. So I would like to start the one with the most button in first, and then slide the other side in. I didn't want to take it out the screen protector yet because I'm gonna order the screen protector, the glass one, to pop it in, avoid from scratch. All right. So this is what's it look like with the case on. Wow, so it's kind of hard to see the Apple logo because right here it is in smoke. Wow, the camera, the triple camera on this iPhone 12, it is much bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let me just show you guys a comparison real quick. This one's the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and then this is the iPhone 12. All right, let's go and then try on the other case. So this one's much easier. We need to just pop it in there. Okay. Wow, the phone is on. I can feel the vibration. And let's try this one. All right.